Day one after the big kaboom, and here I am, a polar bear, in the ruins of humanity's Wi-Fi. Honestly, I'd rather the sun had exploded. It would have hurt less than losing Netflix. Anyway, welcome to my survival vlog. I'll teach you how to stay alive in this mess, or at least how to look smart before you starve.
First lesson, shelter. You need something over your head, unless you want to become a very crispy bear nugget. Fun fact, even a pile of junk reduces heat loss by 30%. Science, baby! Ah, yes, the ancient art of architecture. Step 1, build. Step 2, cry when it falls down. Step 3, build again, but angrier. Next, food. Humans used to say, you are what you eat, which is terrifying because I just found 3 bags of stale potato chips. So I guess I'm becoming sodium chloride with regrets. Survival tip, calories are calories. Doesn't matter if it's expired or smells like groundless shoes. Eat it. Water is life. But this bottle looks like it could give me 17 diseases I can't even pronounce. So here's the DIY trick. Plastic bottle plus sunlight equals solar disinfection. 6 hours of UV and it's safe to drink. Yes, you can survive the apocalypse with nothing but trash and physics. Smash that like button if you also drink irradiated puddle juice. Night falls. The city gets quiet. Too quiet. Which means something's watching. Could be raccoons. Could be the ghosts of billionaires. Either way, I've got fire. Pro survival tip. Fire equals safety plus warmth plus Instagram aesthetic. And also, less dying. Always less dying. Day 1 is over. I've got shelter, food, and slightly radioactive water. But I'm not alone out here. Tomorrow, I find out who or what is watching.